Since its licensing as a mobile virtual network operator in May, Equity Bank's march into Kenya's mobile telephony scene has been mired in controversy over its plans to use a thin SIM that can enable phone users to simultaneously use two SIM cards without having to buy a dual SIM mobile phone. The use of the overlay SIM was particularly criticized by the country's biggest telco by market share, Safaricom, as likely to introduce the risk of interception and theft of individual subscriber information. But after months of heated debate, the Communications Authority of Kenya has given Equity Bank the nod to use the thin SIM, saying there is no evidence pointing to such threats.
The authority will allow the use of thin SIM technology under strict observation for a period of 1 year.
Investigations will, however, continue on Equity's thin SIM technology, which is currently being used by 10 million phone users spread across China, Singapore and South Africa.
The authority has begun the process of hiring an international reputable firm to conduct a security audit on all SIM cards, and in particular the use of the thin SIM in mobile transfer services, and recommend a framework for regulating the use of SIM card in Kenya during this period.
We want to protect the market to be strong. Markets that are strong weather shocks.
Following the regulatory nod by the CAK and the Central Bank of Kenya, Equity Bank is set to commence the importation of the thin SIMs. In a recent interview on Citizen Business Center, Equity Bank's Chief Executive Officer Dr. James Mwangi said that would be done in 2 weeks, meaning the bank could roll out its services from the second week of October.
Because Airtel allowed us also to load the SIM card with voice, data, SMS, those will be add-on products, what you could call value add, but our primary focus is banking services, and will not be detracted.
The battle lines have now been drawn, with the CBK and CAK backing the use of the thin SIM technology. Focus now shifts to Equity Bank to actualize its bid in making the mobile phone its primary channel of delivery of financial services, ushering in a new era of competition on the mobile money front. Denis Otieno, Monday Special.